When your carpet's in a mess, call ProCare.
Hey Middle Tennessee, John Browning with ProCare here. Do me a favor, stop scrolling through social media and look around the room. Does your favorite sofa, chair, rug, carpet, or even tile and grout look a bit dingy? Any spots, spills, or pet accidents staring you down? If you can tell what was served for dinner by the colorful spots on your sofa, it might be time to give us a call because ProCare can clean all of that. We can also apply fiber protector to any of those items to help make it easier for you to keep clean. At ProCare, we specialize in textile and hard surface cleaning and protection. We are a private, locally owned and operated company that's been serving Middle Tennessee since 1995. For more information on our services, please visit us today at procareofnashville.com.